Welcome to RugGear, a global leader in rugged devices and a pioneer that continuously pushes the boundaries in the rugged space. Established for more than 10 years and on all continents, RugGear is the partner of choice for leading network operators, enterprises, and brands. With its roots in China and Germany, RugGear has grown to be an engineering powerhouse and brings products to market with a fit-for-purpose design and full rugged credentials. RugGear was awarded the 2018 German Design Award. RugGear is a company of world's firsts. The first floating mobile phone in the world. The world's first phone with built-in high-precision sensors. The world's first hardware PTT phone. The world's first dual-touch phone. And in 2018, the world's first PTT smartphone supporting private and public 4G networks, along with the world's first rugged 18x9 Android Oreo-based phone, with even more exciting things to come. Built to gear your life, RugGear covers outdoor enthusiasts to workers on oil rigs 24/7, at work and at play. RugGear takes pride in being a true crossover player from consumer to B2B, which truly makes us the home of rugged. RugGear, gear your life.